In front of me is HOTWAV Note 12, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!